Ever feel like your aligners aren't as fresh in the morning? It's a gentle nudge to refresh your oral care. But don't worry about that cloudiness. It's a natural result of overnight bacterial buildup. Meet your secret weapon. 4D REJUV. Just add water, drop in a cleaning tablet, and let the magic happen. With a simple press, powerful 4D ultrasonic waves dive deep, lifting away discoloration and bacteria, gently and thoroughly, while you get ready for your day. In just a few minutes, your aligners rejuvenate to their original shape and clarity. When it's done, give your aligners a quick brush and they will sparkle, clear, fresh, and ready. Wear your aligner. Feel the 4D aligners hug your teeth snugly, brighter and more comfortable than ever. From work meetings to coffee chats, 4D aligner ensures that every smile you share is filled with confidence. But what about nighttime? The same magic applies. Before bed, take out your aligners. Repeat the routine. With a splash of water and one cleaning tablet, your aligners get a gentle, effective clean. No effort needed. While you brush your teeth, the REJUV machine works on its own. After a quick rinse and a brush, it clears away the day's residue. Unplug, then wipe the machine to keep it clean and ready to go. Wear your fresh aligners to bed and let your teeth move comfortably while you sleep. It's that simple.